Hello everyone and welcome back to the Turkey Star Daily. As we all know, Turkish actress has always attract attention for their beauty, elegance and screen presence. But this particular ranking has created an interesting conversation. According to the Turkish media, artificial intelligence selected 5 Turkish actresses who stand out of their physical feature, elegance, natural appearance, and presence in front of camera. And here is the countdown. At number 5, Hande Erçel. Hande has become one of the most recognized faces of Turkish entertainment, not only in Turkey but internationally as well. With her distinctive facial feature, expressive eyes, and strong camera presence, she has become a major beauty icon for millions of fans. But surprisingly, in the ranking, Handi takes the fifth position. At number 4 is Elson Sangu, known for his striking appearance and signature red hair. Elson Sangu has become one of the most memorable faces of Turkish television. Her unique look and elegant style has helped her stand out among Turkey's most admired actresses. At number 3 is Fahriye Arisen. Fahriye Arisen is another name that needs very little introduction with her elegant appearance and long career in Turkish television and cinema. She has remained one of the country's most recognized actresses. Her inclusion in the top 3 show just how highly his beauty and screen presence continue to be regarded. At number 2 is Baran Saad. Baran Saad is not only known for his acting talent but also for his distinctive beauty and powerful screen presence. Over the years, she has become one of the most memorable actresses in Turkish television, making her second place position particularly notable. And finally, the number 1, Tuba Bayo Kutsun. Tuba Bayo Kutsun takes the top position in the AI-based ranking. Her distinctive facial feature, elegant appearance, and international recognition had made her Turkey's most admired actress. So, the complete rating is number 5 is Hande Erçel, number 4 is Alison Sangu, and number 3 Fahriye Arisen. Number 2 is Baran Saad and number 1 is Tuba Bayo Kutsun. Of course, beauty is completely subjective and an AI-based ranking shouldn't be considered an official measurement of who is actually the most beautiful. But that is what makes list look like very interesting. Everyone has a different opinion. Do you agree with the ranking or would you like to add Hande Erçel at number 1? Tell me your opinion in the comments below. And if you liked the video, subscribe the channel. I see you in the very next video.